Hi, this is Harry at Hillcrest Ace Hardware, and this is your Ace Project of the Week. Everyone knows they are supposed to change their furnace filter, but many of us don't know the basic facts about furnace filters, including when to change them and how to select a replacement filter. For maximum effectiveness, most furnace manufacturers recommend that you change your filters every 3 months. But the life of a filter can vary depending on the conditions in your home and how frequently you use your furnace or air conditioning. You may need to change your filter more often if you have dirty ductwork, there's construction going on in your neighborhood, you have pets or smokers in the house, or if you run the fan continuously. All too often I talk to people who have not changed their filter in a year or more. A dirty filter causes your furnace to work much harder and costs you more money in extra energy use and eventually furnace maintenance, not to mention that the air quality in your home is suffering. At a minimum, I recommend that here in San Diego, we change our filters twice a year, at the beginning of the cold season and again when summer starts to heat up. The next question is how to select a filter. There are many options to choose from, including the older style spun fiberglass type to the more effective disposable pleated filters. Air filters have a rating called Merv, which indicates the filter's ability to grab small particulates in the air. The spun fiberglass will have a Merv rating of about 4 and do a pretty good job of grabbing larger particulate, but will need to be changed every 30 to 60 days to be effective. To capture the small particles in the air, you should change to the pleated electrostatically charged filters, which will last 3 to 6 months. Our Ace brand basic filter has a Merv rating of 8. The Filtrete filters by 3M are our most effective at reducing allergy-inducing microparticulates, with Merv ratings from 11 to 13. Right now, your local Ace Hardware store has a special on Ace brand filters. Buy 2, get 1 free until the end of January. In addition to changing your filters regularly, you should have your furnace serviced by a professional at least once a year and have your air ducts professionally cleaned every 3 to 5 years. And that's your Ace Project of the Week.